Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Krish or GG Agra. So in my Python tutorial, we have been discussing dictionaries in Python. So in my first intro session, I discussed about the Python dictionary. What is Python dictionary? How can we make it? And we also discussed uh, the difference between immutable and immutable. So this dictionary is like list is a mutable class. So here also the data can be easily changed or delete, and in the same reference I am going to discuss some functions on dictionaries. So let's discuss and move to our presentation. So I'm going to discuss our dictionary. This is my second episode on dictionaries. You see here. So to understand the methods defined in the following table, we shall refer to the following dictionary like English to Hindi dictionary. I have created a dictionary like Hindi where we have collected the words, rather meaning uh, and the words. So what is the meaning of the word and what should be the exact answer or exact meaning of the particular word. So as we have seen the dictionary, you can find uh, the word in the dictionary and its meaning. And you must have noticed that the dictionary has the unique words in entire dictionary, and there could be many synonyms of those words. Correct. So see here, if I discuss this dictionary which I have created in Python, like Hindi is a dictionary where I have created the dictionary like the word and its meaning, means key and the meaning, key and the value. So where is the key and kahan is the value. Similarly, here is the key and yahan is the value, there is the key and wahan is the value, come is the key, ana is the value, go is the key and jana is the value. So this is the dictionary I have created in Python, and this is just resembles the dictionary which we use in our daily life. So what are the functions which we are going to discuss here? First is how to clear the dictionary, means it removes the items from the dictionary. If you have created a dictionary and if you want to clear all the elements of the dictionary, then you should try the function dictionary dot clear. So here D is the dictionary or Hindi is the dictionary. If I say Hindi dot clear, so all the elements are deleted from the dictionary Hindi, and Hindi dictionary becomes the empty dictionary. Similarly, if you want to copy the content of the dictionary into another dictionary variable, then you can use the copy, or rather you can assign the dictionary directly. Say Hindi 1 is equal to Hindi, so it will copy the content of Hindi dictionary to Hindi 1. And in place of direct assignment, you can use copy also. So if you want to copy the content of one dictionary to another, then you can say like Hindi 1 is equal to Hindi dot copy. So Hindi 1 is another variable where the content of Hindi will be copied using the copy function. And the next is from keys. The from key is the function which creates a dictionary from specified keys, and if you have specified the values of the corresponding keys which you are going to create the dictionary from, so if you omit those values, then it will take none as a value, otherwise it will take the value you assigned, and this value will be common to every key. So here if you look at from keys, dict dot from key sequence means the key sequence, and it could be like tuple or rather simply immutable item you can use as key. So over here if you see the example like a is equal to slow comma fast comma close, so this is the tuple, So A is a tuple, and from this tuple I'm going to create a dictionary. So what I said, B is equal to dict dot from keys A. So A is the tuple. So it will create a dictionary like slow, fast, and close, but the values will be none, none, and none. So the key is slow and its value will be none. So if you have not specified the values for the keys, then it will take none automatically or by default. And if you want to give the value, like if you say d dot from keys, d is the dictionary name, from key, and the sequence say a is the sequence of the keys. So sequence comma value. So see here example, c is equal to dict dot from keys a underscore a or hyphen, or you can give any value like c is equal to dict dot from keys a and dash print key. Then it will show you dictionary like this: slow dash, the value is dash, fast is the key and value is the dash, close the key and value is the dash. So in place of hyphen or this dash, you can give any value. You can give the number, you can give the word, but this value will be common to every key. Okay, so next is, so see here get. So if you want to get the value of the particular key, then you can use the function get or the method get. So here if you see the function d dot get, d is the dictionary, d dot get k, k is the key. So it returns dk. If the key exists in the dictionary, then it returns the value of the corresponding key. So it returns the key, the value of the key k, if k is the part of the dictionary. If this k is not available, this returns none. So if I type print Hindi get who, prints none because who key is not available in the dictionary. And if it is available, who is available, then it will print or it will return the value of who. And we can also specify, if the value is available, then it gives the value or returns the value. And if the value is not if the key is not available, then you can uh, give the masses, appropriate masses, like nf for not found, returns dk if key is available in dictionary, otherwise it returns nf, means not found. So if I like type print hindi dot get who not found, if who exists in the dictionary, then it will give the value, otherwise it will print not found. If the key who is not available in the dictionary, then it will return not found. So see here items is another method. D dot items is equal to returns a collection of key and value pairs in the form of the collection of the dictionary, which is in the form of the list, and inside the list you'll see the pair of key and value in the form of the tuple. So if you like if you give print hindi dot items, it will give returns the collection like tuple, key and value pairs, all the elements of the dictionary. The entire the collection of tuples will be enclosed within the square brackets. And if you apply the method keys means all the keys of the dictionary D. So it returns all the keys of the dictionary, and this would be enclosed in square brackets. So I'll show you by practical. So as example, like pop means which key you want to, or the value of which key you want to use, and that key, the complete pair is deleted from the dictionary, and the dictionary will return that pair to you so that you can use it. And if the key is not available which you want to pop from the dictionary, it raises the error that is called the key error. For example, print Hindi dot pop here. So here is the key in the dictionary, and it removes the key from the dictionary and returns its value, that is yahan. And if the key is not available, and in place of none or the key error, you can print not found masses also. So removes dk from the dictionary and returns the corresponding value. Returns nf means the masses you want to enclose uh, with the pop, like k and nf means not found. This, if the key does not exist in the dictionary, then it will print this masses. So here, if who does not exist in the dictionary, then it raises a key error. Otherwise, you can say print Hindi dot pop who. If who is not available, then comma not found. Like print Hindi dot pop ag. So ag is not the part of Hindi dictionary, so it will return dash or hyphen. Hope this is clear of the meaning of pop. Pop means remove the value from the dictionary and return. Dictionary will return this value to you so that you can use it. But it is deleted from the dictionary. Then I'm taking to you my collab where I can explain about these functions. So see here, they are the functions which I discussed in my presentation. Now I'm going to give you the hands-on. So see here, the first is clear, that I showed you earlier also. Copy I discussed with you. I discussed from keys also in my presentation, and this time I'm going to give you the hands-on. So see here, first I run the key or create the key dictionary. So my dictionary is created and the values are where means kahan, here means yahan, there means wahan, come means ana, go means jana. The dictionary is created, and on the basis of dictionary I'll apply these functions. So I'll apply these functions one by one. I have already written these functions and the statements to be practiced, and I'm simply copying the content from this text and copy this in the code box or code cell. See here, paste and run. So this way it will create a tuple with the value none, because I applied from keys. So the tuple A is the collection of keys where value is not given, and that is why it has taken none, none and none. Next, so tuple is like this, and the values say B, none, values are none, and the keys are slow, fast and close. The next, I am going to take example of so from keys, and this time I have taken the tuple, and since if the value is not available or the value available, since tuple is there and we don't have the values for the particular tuple, so it was allocating none to every key, but this time I have given a common value, that is hyphen. So when I uh, mentioned dict dot from keys. So A is the tuple, and every character as value which I have enclosed within the parenthesis will be distributed to every key here. So slow dash, fast dash, and close dash. So the value is commonly distributed on every key here. And if I want to give any other value, like in place of dash, if I give 100, now the values will be slow 100, fast 100, and close 100. Now next function is get who. If the value is available, then it will return the value, otherwise it will display or say key error. Since who is available, then it will give the value, oh, not available. This who is not available, and that is why it gives none here. If I copy this, and since who is not available, then it should print not found in place of none. So see here, not found, since who is not available in the dictionary. Now next example. Items. If I apply these items, it will give the collection of tuples in the form of the list. So see here, this is the collection of the tuples, the collection of the tuples. So see here, tuples in parentheses, here, yahan, there, wahan, and all the tuples are enclosed within the square brackets in the form of the list. Correct? So this way this item works. Now next function is how many keys are there in the dictionary. It gives the collection of the dictionary in the form of the list. So see here, this is the list. So these are the keys. Next example. Pop here. If it doesn't exist, then it will raise the error. So see here, Hindi. This is the entire dictionary. When I say pop here, then it says yahan, because the value is available and this is deleted from the dictionary. Now Hindi. And the next function is the last function which I am going to discuss here, that is pop who. And let's see whether it is available or not. So it gives the error because who is not available in the dictionary Hindi. So it gives the error, invalid character, because this word is not available in the dictionary, and this is why it raises the error. If I write print Hindi dot pop, say another key, there. If there exists in the dictionary, then it will give the value. See here, it has given the value wahan. So this is how we can apply these methods in our dictionary. Now what are the values in the dictionary available? So here there are all few values, few pairs available in the dictionary. So hope you understood the concept of the dictionary or the methods which I discussed with you. So, so if you understood this video, and then kindly practice it with the same examples. We'll discuss more in my next video with some other functions and which are applicable on the dictionary. So still there are some functions or the methods left, like values and items, pop items. Some functions or some methods are left, which I'll cover this in my next video. So hope you understood the concept, and if you have subscribed my channel also, if you have not subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for the next notification of the video. So we meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.